on the door. This is the boat, the ship, the big ship from the movie Titanic. Titanic. The ship is traveling across the water. Now, on the ship, the Titanic, on the big ship, the Titanic, on it, Jack and Rose fall in love with each other. Jack and Rose fall in love with each other, and they are very happy. They are very happy. They are flying. They are flying. But there is a problem, a big problem. There is a problem. The ship, the Titanic, sees an iceberg. A man on the ship sees an iceberg, and the ship is traveling towards the big iceberg. The big iceberg. Oh no, what are they going to do? What are they going to do? It is a big problem. Now, the ship, the Titanic, the ship, the big ship, hits the iceberg. The big ship hits the iceberg and starts to sink. It starts to sink into the water. To sink into the water. Whoa, sinking into the water. Sinking into the water. Oh no, we've crashed. We've crashed. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? They start to get people into life rafts so they can swim away. But it is very cold, and Jack, the man, and Rose, the woman, who are in love, they end up in the water, the cold, freezing water, holding on to each other in love. Now, Rose is on a door. Rose is on a door. So she's not as cold as Jack is. But there's another problem. The both of them, they both can't fit on the door. Although I think that they could have. They both can't fit. They can't squeeze onto the door. So Jack, being the gentleman that he is, stays in the water. He stays in the water and lets Rose live. But Jack dies. Jack dies. He sinks to the bottom and he dies. Rose is very, very sad about this. Rose is very, very sad about this. But Jack died. A hero. Even though they both could have fit on that door. It is a very, very sad movie. It is a very sad movie. And the plot makes no sense in reality. But never mind. I will see you. I will see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below if you think if both Jack and Rose could have fitted on the door together like I think they could have. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. 100% that they could have fit on that door. It's just ridiculous.